If you want to survive in the dropshipping game and you want to make money down the road, you need to find a way to find trending products in real time. Not yesterday, not 1 month from now, not 1 year from now. You got to find those trending products in real time. And so you have tools and software that actually helps you get the job done. In today's conversation, I want to review Ecomhunt, which is really a tool that does that. So it helps you find trending products. But the question is it worth it or they're just full of it? Okay, let's have a quick conversation about that. So here's an overview I really want you to pay attention to. So Ecomhunt was actually founded about 10 years ago, and it is a very popular product research tool. In fact, what it does is that it offers a curated database of winning products to help e-commerce entrepreneurs like you, dropshippers, and all other sellers on Amazon and other marketplaces. It helps you find trending products real fast without having to spend too much time and money on doing product research and running test ad campaigns. I mean, if you have been in this game longer than we have been, you understand that, back in the days, like 3, 5, 7 years ago, if you were to find trending products, you had to do competitive analysis, competitive intelligence. You need to spy on your competitors to see what kind of products they're selling, or you have to run test ad campaigns. Nowadays, Ecomhunt is just saying, listen, stop all that. We have a tool for you. So we are going to help you get the job done real fast. So Ecomhunt's database includes thousands of best-selling products handpicked by experts. Now, the thing is that is it always a win? Is it always like a hit? I would say 90%. Our team has seen that some products that the Ecomhunt experts picked did not really turn out to be great products. But hey, listen, there are humans too. Sometimes they make mistakes, and it is what it is. So in short, what I want to say here is that by using the tool, you can find items that are already proven to sell, because you don't have to reinvent the wheel. It's not about, you're not in dropshipping to reinvent the wheel. No, you just need to find winning products in a flash and package them and sell them. Okay, so you don't have to spend hours and hours and hours trying to grind. No. Okay, it takes about 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You have a tool, and that's it. You are able to find exactly what you need for your dropshipping store. Let me talk to you about the process. So how does Ecomhunt really work? So you have a clearer idea about this player. So Ecomhunt's expert team select and list new products that sell well every single day. That's what I said to you earlier, that it's not about finding the best product 1 month from now or 1 year from now. No, or 2 years ago, whatever. No, they do it in real time. So the team at Ecomhunt, they do this every day manually, using their extensive network of professionals to create a comprehensive report of the most winning and trending products across different categories. So in some cases, we have seen categories that went all the way to 48. In some cases, we saw like 72. So it's really comprehensive. To be more specific, the team uses the expertise of researchers, marketers, analysts, and executives from many different industries to help e-commerce store owners stay on top of industry trends and sell winning products online. And you can literally sell the products suggested by Ecomhunt through your Ecommerce or Shopify store or on Amazon, eBay. So you do have options there. And so if you want to think about Ecomhunt that way, I want you to think about a product research agency, a dropshipping, or let's say an e-commerce product research agency that actually does the work for you and then provides recommendations. It's kind of similar to, let's say, if you were to invest, you have those research analysts, they do research, or you have those private wealth management folks, they do research and they just advise their clients to go one way or another. So that's what Ecomhunt really also does. So the team at Ecomhunt also provides important information about the products, such as the product details. You have cost and profit margins. This is really an important element. You have analytics. You have Facebook ads info. Now, the Facebook ads info is kind of important because, as you know, Facebook provides a wealth of analytics, a wealth of details. So if you're able to really dig into your Facebook ads, you will be able to find exactly what's really working, what's not working, because Facebook ads gives you information based on the demographics. You have also you have geography, demographics. So at the end of the day, it has to be what really works for you. One thing I want to say here is that when we talk about the process at Ecomhunt, we love the UI and the UX. The user experience and the user interface at Ecomhunt is really great, really straightforward, very easy to use. What are the features that we love with Ecomhunt? Okay, it's important. So first you have product images, descriptions, and videos. So you're able to find trending products in the e-commerce market. So you can find which products are selling, and you can basically remember. You can like when they send you all those products, they attach to them the images, the descriptions, and the videos. So when you actually connect, let's say your dropshipping store through Ecomhunt, you don't have to type all those things manually anymore. Okay, things are done automatically for you. So, and aside from showing you trending products to sell, this tool also gives you access to product images, descriptions, and videos. Okay, so but remember that Ecomhunt is a tool that's probably used by many people. So this means that some of these people tend to sell the same products with the same descriptions, images, and videos. So you need to customize things a little bit. And also think about the product cost, profit margins, and selling prices. So the product research tool also shows you a suggested selling price. So what Ecomhunt does is that they suggest to you how much you should be selling the product for based on their analysis, based on what they see other players in the industry do. They want you to have a competitive selling price. You have to also think about analytics and engagement. So this is a tool that we love a lot on Ecomhunt because you are able to take a look at the stats, including how many people ordered the item from AliExpress, for example. And what's more, this feature also helps you get familiar with the success of the item currently on social media, if it is on social media. So you can see data on tool engagement, number of likes, comments and shares, reactions, and ratings also. So this is really cool. You also have AliExpress and eBay sales stats. So using Ecomhunt also lets you learn how the product is performing on AliExpress and eBay. And this gives you some insight into how the product is doing on two different online marketplaces. So this is kind of cool. And you also have the saturation inspector. This is something our team pays attention a lot to it. It's called the saturation inspector. So you are able to see exactly whether or not there is a potential for more profit coming from this particular product. Okay, so you want to make sure that you are constantly checking the main features on Ecomhunt, so you have a clear idea whether you're winning or not. And other products that we love are Facebook ads and targeting. So this Ecomhunt also gives you access to Facebook ads that are already running, as well as Facebook ad targeting information like countries, age, gender, audience sizes, and interests. This is really good because if you want to do an Ecomhunt review and you are able to dig a little deeper into the Facebook ads and targeting, that means you really understand what this tool, the Ecomhunt tool, offers. And you also think about Instagram and influencers. So if you want to, let's say you want to grow your business a little bit here, okay, Ecomhunt gives you the opportunity to do everything from the platform. So you are able to grow your business. You're able to reach out to the influencers. You're able to reach out to the brand ambassadors that you want to pay attention to before doing anything. This is kind of cool. You also have a live chat option. We love that a lot because you are basically making sure that you are able to get in touch with the Ecomhunt. You also have tutorials and webinars for beginners. So in our view, what we love about Ecomhunt is that they are really channeling their efforts towards the whole population. Because if you're if you are an existing dropshipping, like if you are an experienced dropshipper, you will still love Ecomhunt anyway. And they offer different price levels for that. So you have to pay attention to what really matters to you. Okay. And so you also have Ecomhunt, the Winners Club. So what we love about the Winners Club is that you are basically changing every like you're up in your game every day. And so the thing is that Ecomhunt honors your hard work and your dropshipping success. So if you earn at least $5,000 by selling products that you find on Ecomhunt, you can apply to become a member And then you as a winner will receive a cool free Ecom Hunt t-shirt in a place on the winner's wall. But again, if you don't care about those rewards or whatever, then that's fine. But if you do, it's a really fun thing to do. It's a fun place to work. And at the end of the day, it's all about making sure that you have the proper resources to actually succeed in this environment. And one thing I also want to say here is that we are able to change, like you got to be able to change things. If you don't like certain integrations, you can change them by talking to Ecommerce and not Ecommerce, Ecomhunt rather, Ecomhunt, and they will take care of you for that. In terms of pricing plans, it's important to understand that Ecomhunt offers a free plan, but the free version has its own limitations, and it definitely makes sense. If you're a dropshipper, if you're serious about the dropshipping business, you have been doing this for a while now, you need to understand this is a business for them. People are spending money, people are spending efforts, that they are just spending a lot of resources, and it makes sense that they be paid, right? So, and if you go with the free version, you can use the tool up to a certain level, yeah. And moreover, the limitations include a set limits of only viewing 2 products daily, 5 saved products at a time, delay in accessing to new products, and no live chat support from Jack, among other things. And it's simply because we need to be in a situation where we're putting, like you have to put your dropshipping business's interest ahead, and whatever matters to them, whatever matters to, let's say you just found the best products, and you are reaching out to vendors. It can be on AliExpress or on other platforms, and they're not responding to you like properly. Are you going to lose sales by not doing anything, like by not really caring about what is happening to them? Or are you going to be patient and get the products anywhere and resell at a later point? So those are questions you need to think about, because when you think about Ecomhunt pricing plans, you're going to have to deal with several levels. So the pro plan, for example, you're going to have, so they have the pro plan. So if you want to go with the pro plan, go ahead and just get it. That way you have access to the whole thing. You have access to everything. And you can say, you know what, I like this part, I don't like this part, but at least you have a clear idea. And one thing I also need to say here is that when we talk about Ecomhunt does a product research, but it's not the only player in the industry. You have a lot of players in the industry. What they do, they just focus on just the product research itself, because product research when it comes to dropshipping is not the same thing as product research when it comes to just an online commerce where you don't have a dropshipping. If you have a dropshipping, then you have an element of somebody trying to steal, quote unquote, your food, as opposed to working with you. I want to talk to you about the pros and cons here. Okay, we're still having a deep review of Ecomhunt, so we understand what's really happening here. And so the pros, you have hot trending products across different categories and niches. Interestingly enough, you can even find winning products in some less popular categories. You have in-depth product analytics, so you can analyze almost everything about a product before deciding to sell it. This is where Ecomhunt really shines, because that ability, that granularity is really, really, really satisfactory. And so you can get access to Facebook ads that are currently running, along with targeting info. You actually have a list of Instagram influencers, so you can take advantage of this feature and improve your Instagram influencer marketing. And another thing is that the pro version within Ecomhunt is reasonably priced in our view. You have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So again, this is really, really cool. And what about the cons here? You don't have a lot of free. Let's say you don't have too many trending products that are listed daily. And the free version offers limited versions. So the free version offers limited, not versions, but limited features. And the reason why this is happening is because, if you're not paying for stuff, you're not going to, it's kind of funny. We see a lot of people, in the streets, they talk about, well, I try for this, I try for that. and I did not really win. It took me a while, and to sort of bring it back to the dropshipping and the Ecom Hunt review here. If you try something and you have a product that Ecom Hunt recommended, it doesn't work, don't automatically blame Ecom Hunt because they're the one who supposedly gave you bad luck or whatever. No, you want to look deep inside. Same thing for dropshipping. If you are, let's say you are looking for a product, you can't find it. You have to make a determination at that point. Should I contact the embassy here? Like, like if I want to dropship from a specific country, for example, do I want to contact the embassy here and making sure that people are getting back to me, or should I just let it go? Okay. And overall, our recommendation is to let it go because you don't want to engage in any sort of problems here. You don't have time for it. But otherwise, it's a great place to start, and we love that a lot. So next, I want to talk about the alternatives. So it's important to understand that when we talk about Ecom Hunt, Ecom Hunt is not the only player in this industry. You have other players who do exactly the same thing, who help you get product research on the way. They give you all the best products on a daily basis. Some of them even give you products on a daily basis. And in other places, you have to ask yourself whether or not this is the right opportunity for you. Okay, so the one thing I need to say here is that when we talk about drop shipping, we have to pay attention to selling stuff that is not bulky. Because see, if you're drop shipping books, for example, versus I mean, whatever you're drop shipping, make sure that you have the proper equipment for it. And one thing I also want to say here is that when we talk about drop shipping, like Ecom Hunt drop shipping alternatives, you have folks such as Sell the Trend. You have Niche Scraper. You have Sell the Trend. So you know that you're always in good terms and always making sure that you are selling the right products. And one thing I also need to say here is that you have to pay attention to the review, things that are happening, and you have to make sure that you are increasing your game all the time. It has to be something constant, okay? And so when we talk about the alternatives, again, you have Sell the Trend, you have Niche Scraper, and you also have like a few others. You have Doba, you have NerdWallet. So if you're interested in, let's say, joining the wave of online merchants who make money by selling products online, then the answer is yes. So you want to think about Ecom Hunt as one of your options because it helps you make a decision, really. So you have the right to actually decide whether or not it's better for you. And but the thing is that what's our verdict here is Ecom Hunt is definitely worth it. Yes, if you are interested in joining the wave of online merchants who make money by selling trending products online, then Ecom Hunt may be the best option for you. So you also have at this point you're gonna have like things like dealing with a couple of important parameters depending on the type of business setup that you have, and you also need to think about you have to be very careful in terms of picking up your dropshipping products, because if you don't pick them up properly, then we have a problem. And one thing you also need to pay attention to counterfeits. So as you go through your dropshipping store, make sure that you don't have counterfeits, that you are able to handle whatever products you have and the quality is there, even if they're brand name or non-brand name. Thank you. God bless you. I'll see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.